The foundational purpose for Transitions Mentoring Ministry is to make a difference in the Barna research that shows that a majority of young people, and sometimes up to 80 and 90%, walk away from their faith after high school. The ministry got started by God really speaking to me when several of my former athletes were standing in front of me. I formerly had coached at an urban sports ministry and had been in relationship with many of these young ladies since they were 3, 4, 5, 6 years old. And now the oldest of them were in college. And as they were home from Christmas break a year ago, I just heard the Lord speak to me and say, that statistic that you've been quoting to people about how the young people turn from their faith after high school, that's where your girls are right now. In the summer, we come together as a group and do studies that help them to better defend their biblical worldview. And for the ones then that go to campus, go to college campus in the fall, I have a goal of visiting each one of them once a month, face to face, to stay in intentional, committed one-on-one relationships with them. People can get involved in several ways. To be financial partners would be such a blessing right now, with us being a startup grassroots organization. For volunteers, there would be a wide variety of opportunities. We have a fundraiser that will now be an annual event that we just did a month ago. So if anyone would have a passion for event planning, helping with social media, helping to make connections maybe with churches, organizations, Bible studies where I could come in and just make those organizations and churches aware of transitions. The more that we can allow people to know that we exist, the more we're going to be able to serve and make a difference for the kingdom. As Courtney, one of my leadership young ladies, stated, this is not just something that needs to go across the United States, but across the world.